Hey there, Rodrigo here for Textualize, and in this short video I want to show you how you can set syntax highlighting in your TextArea widget. So right now I have an application here that's called Syntax Highlighting App, and it composes a text area. And if I run my application, I can see that I can type things here. As per usual, it's a text area, but it does not have syntax highlighting by default. So in order to turn this on, I need to do two things. The first thing is I need to make sure that Textual is installed with the syntax dependency. And this only works in Python 3.8 or greater. So textual bracket syntax bracket. After I install it like this, I can go ahead and when I'm yielding my text area, I can use the parameter language to set a language for syntax highlighting. Now we don't support a lot out of the box at the time of recording. You can check them with what is it? It's available languages. So this holds all of the available languages for now, and you can use the parameter to set it. And now if I run, oops, I don't want to install it again. I want to run my app. I can type Python code, and it will highlight it. Very cool. And just to show you just one other small demo, what we can do now is, let's take a select widget and let's use a select widget to dynamically change the syntax highlighting language. So what we'll do is we'll yield a select whose options are Markdown. Let's start with Python. So Python, and the value is Python. Sorry, I forgot that it should be a tuple, and then Markdown down. And now let's force the select to have a value, and let's say that the prompt is language. Okay, perfect. And now let's take the on decorator, and let's say that on select.changed. We're going to update text area language. Take the here. And what do we do? Well, we'll query the text area and we will set the language reactive. So this is a reactive, we can change it, and when we do, the syntax highlighting will change. And so we'll take the value from the event. I think that's it. Let's see. Why is this complaining? Okay, well, we know that from this select we will always get something. So let's see. Let's run the application. So there's Python selected there. You can print hello world. Now if I change it to Markdown, then we lost the coloring here. We can do I, and we can say that we have a header here, and this is bold, italic, line. So as we can see, we get different syntax highlighting. And again, if I change to Python, then I get the funny highlighting because this is trying to interpret this as Python code. So this was it for this short video. If you have any questions, you can drop a comment below, or you can join our Discord server. I'll leave all of the links and also links to the documentation and the code below. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.